6 Best Stand-Up Paddle Boards for Kids and Teenagers. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Stand-up paddling boarding is an excellent outdoor activity for kids to get into from a young age. Who wouldn't want to encourage their children to participate in something that gets them outside, keeps them active, and challenges them? Whether you live close to a body of water or only visit one when on vacation, confidence and skills in the water are incredibly valuable assets for children. Here is our buyer's guide to the top stand-up paddle boards for kids and teenagers. 1. Dama Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Boards. This board is well liked by parents. It is easy to use for kids. It may be too large to use for some younger children. However, most found that it is easy to transport and carry. The board quickly deflates and packs down into the included backpack. 2. THURSO Surf Prodigy Junior Kids Inflatable ISUP. The majority of parents raved about the quality of this board. The carbon paddle is highly praised as it is much lighter and easier for kids to use. The dimensions and structure of the board were noted as well thought out and practical for kids. 3. Freein Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. The competitive price point was the main reason parents were drawn to this board. Many felt that the paddle itself is too heavy for kids to use, and they also wish it came with a carrying case. It was also noted that it is not the easiest board to inflate. 4. Aqua Marina Vibrant Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. The small size and lightweight nature of this board make it highly recommended for kids. It is easy to manage for kids both on the water and on land when transporting it. 5. AirHead Popsicle 730 ISUP. Customers consistently praise the lightweight design of this board as it makes it easy for kids to handle and use. When the board is inflated, many customers commented that it looks and feels like a sold board. 6. Retrospec Weekender Inflatable ISUP. There is room for a large board plus plenty of extra space and pockets for your pump, paddle gear, and any other accessories you want to include. It also comes in 4 different vibrant colors. The bag is easy to carry and particularly great for bringing a SUP on an airplane. When selecting a stand-up paddle board for your child, it is best to factor in the features and aspects that most relate to your child and their size. Consider their age, skill level, the estimated frequency of use, and your budget in order to determine which board will best suit your specific needs.